So the material is taken from Deloitte, the website. They did an article on business trends for 2013. So let me go ahead and share with you what are the 4 questions we're going to ask about trends. Okay, so we're going to ask about what is the trend about, what are the contributing drivers, what are the lessons learned, and what advice can we get out of this trend. All right, so but basically, this thing is getting ahead of me. So the consumer has the ability to get reward based on what they're being bombarded with. Now, you're going to learn a new term today, and that is neuroplasticity. So when you get back to the office, you can impress your boss and say, "Boss, I know what neuroplasticity is." All right? So that's going to be impressive. And basically, that's just simply the brain's ability to adapt to in response to new experiences, new technologies, new things, new ideas that they're being exposed to. So the brain is able to rewire itself, basically. How do we get this thing to not be so? I think my laptop wants to have lunch, and it's trying to say, "Come on, speed it up a little bit, all right? We don't have all day." Marlon, are you responsible for putting something in my program so that... All right. So by understanding what neuroplasticity is, we're able to understand that consumers are able to go with the flow, all right? They can adopt new behaviors based on new technologies, economic realities, and shifting cultural norms. So basically what's happening is consumers are changing behavior as a result because of neuroplasticity, all right? Do you know that I read, and I'm not so sure now whether this statistic is still available, but as of January this year, every 4 minutes in the Philippines, somebody is establishing a Facebook account. That's how this thing is really taking off, in other words. So behavior of consumers, and including in the Philippines, are rapidly changing, all right? Because the reason for this is because we have real-time information available to us, all right? So we get into our cell phone, it's text to us what the daily deals are all about, what's the good deal for the day, and all of these marketeers are like giving you a deadline, like act today before midnight, and you get a break on this price or whatever.